Hello friends, welcome to DevTech Solutions, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install TeamViewer in your Linux system. Just download TeamViewer from this site, TeamViewer. Then just go to terminal and just change the directory to downloads where you have downloaded TeamViewer. Just copy this and extract these files by typing sudo dpkg si and this TeamViewer. So just type sudo apt-get install as if to continue it. To install TeamViewer, press Y to continue. So TeamViewer is installed now. Just you can see that accept license agreement. If you face any problem while installing TeamViewer, you can comment below. We will try to solve it. So TeamViewer is installed now. You can control